Well, I'm Chris, and today we're going to be assembling this wall-mounted folding work table. It looks really cool. It's a lot bigger and heavier when you get it in real life. There's a lot of stuff to it, and in this video I'm going to try to help you make this project as easy as possible. So assembly should take 2 adults in about 2 hours. So we need to focus on the most important part, and it's this bracket right here that the cabinet is going to hang over it. It has 6 of these big bolts. It wants you to use all 6, 3 on this bracket, and then 3 once you hang it. So we're in my Snap-on truck, sort of in a little tight area right here. So you're going off the bottom of that bracket. The lowest it wants it mounted is 58 3/4. So right there. It's telling you to mount it at 60 3/4, and that's going to give you 36-inch height on your table. And then the highest you can go is 67. That's where I'm going to go. So this is your most important bracket. When you mount it, you want to try to get 3 bolts in it. But if you can only get 2, make sure those 2 are in studs. So you kind of hang it up at first with a little screw. Get one of your screws, and it wants you to drill 1/4 inch pilot holes. Okay. Put these in. Get your main piece, make sure it hangs on there. Okay, so we're just gonna run through it real quick. I'll slow down and focus if things get tricky or confusing. Let's go. So you can see the screws have names. ENC, ENA, ESC, they're all marked. Take your time, this is a bit confusing. This is the top piece. You'll feel these 2 should go on the outside, and it'll just all come together like that. So then we just start bolting everything up like the instructions. Get that bottom piece on there. So we're ready to put that pegboard piece in, which is metal. It's telling you to pay attention to those 3. And they're gonna go on the bottom. This is definitely a heavy piece right here. Oh, nice fit, perfect. You see that bracket's bent a little bit up there. Don't worry about it, just pull it out and straighten it. Oh, this is heavy. So it wants us to keep adding stuff on. I think we should go ahead and hang it right now and then build the little table part, because it's just going to keep getting heavier and heavier. So it is very heavy. You be super careful. Get somebody to help you if you need to. You can only slide it over a little bit, look. Like that. That's all it lets you. So notice how that bracket is on the inside. And then after you hang it, you need to go down there, and just like we put those bolts in the bracket, you need to put 2 at least. Try to get 3 in there at the bottom. A lot of times installation steps like this are skipped. I'm telling you, you need to teach yourself not to skip those steps. And then one day you'll be moving something in the garage, accidentally bump this, and this whole thing will just come off the little bracket and fall down, and all because you didn't have it screwed down. So let's at least get 2 in there. So we got those 3 in there. Oh man. So you're gonna have different ways to adjust it, and then you can unscrew that out. So get a level, check everything. So we just have them rough adjusted. You put 4 nuts and bolts in each one, and then you have a final adjustment. Time for the piece of wood. We're just gonna put a few screws in there. I still have to level that a little better. And then you see, you just go around, secure that board in there. Let me put a couple screws in it. Okay, so you're just gonna secure the tabletop. It's just telling you to make sure not to drill all the way through. So be careful. It's got some little brackets. Let's see where these go. It's 2. So I'll still have to level this out and tweak it a little bit better, but once you get it all square, that's where those little brackets go on each side. So you got a short side and a long side down, short side right there. Then you're gonna have to pull it and get it hooked. All right. We're gonna open all these up, put them all on there. Bunch of hardware, and then these things for your wires. It's got this lock. You can put a small lock in here. Just comes down. Very cool, very cool. All right, so the little things for the wires. Nice fit. You got 2 of them. So all the pegboard in there is steel. Places for screwdrivers and tools. I love that so much. You can get an LED light up in there if you needed one, but we have LED lights in the Snap-on truck now, so we don't need any lights. I'm trying to organize myself in 2024, and this is exactly what I need. Is it easy or hard? Oh, very easy to do. You might have to play with this a little bit, get that to lock in there. So there you go. I approve of this 100%. I recommend this 100%. If you have a garage and somebody in your life has been talking about getting a workbench, I don't think you can go wrong with this. It's beautiful, it's clean, it's heavy duty. This will literally last your lifetime. These retail for $269 plus tax. I found this on OfferUp for $120. So always keep your eyes open. I might in fact buy another one of these. So installation for the first time, go ahead and give yourself 2 or 3 hours. I spent almost 2 hours on it because I wanted to make sure it was perfect. After your first one, you should be able to knock these things out in probably 30 or 45 minutes. Well, anyway, totally impressed with this thing. I totally love it. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.